Hello, my name is Helen Rhodes, and today I am reviewing a case study for the Advanced Project Management class. The case study, entitled Creating a Methodology, can be found in Dr. Kersner's book entitled Project Management Case Studies. Corporate culture determines the willingness of companies to adapt to business needs and remain competitive in a changing marketplace. Executives who are resistant to change most likely do not want to give up control of decision-making. They may fear losing their jobs or feel threatened by project managers who would now have authority to make autonomous decisions that were once reserved for executives. Additionally, some executives view project managers as temporary members of a company since projects are temporary in nature. Additionally, company executives see themselves as project sponsors who want standardization and control in the way projects are managed. A project management office can accelerate the implementation process using their PMP credentials, expertise, technical skills, and experience. Project managers are equipped to interface with suppliers, customers, and other stakeholders, and can explain and effectively carry out project management processes and methodologies. It is appropriate for the Project Management Office to report to the Chief Information Officer because the CIO is responsible for information technology and the enterprise goals of a company. They are also actively involved in developing an organization's strategic goals. The position of the CIO is changing due to today's tech-savvy environment. This is especially applicable to project management. As the Project Management Office becomes less about paper and more about web-based dashboard reporting systems, reporting to a Chief Information Officer makes sense. Developing an elite project management methodology is a key component of becoming an exceptional company. It is best to use 6 or less lifecycle phases to implement a superior project management methodology. Each lifecycle phase requires paperwork, control points, and administrative demands. Too few cycles can be ineffective, and too many lifecycle phases drive up costs. It is determined 6 cycles are optimal for effectiveness and cost containment purposes. EPM systems work best when they are flexible. This is especially important in a company being able to customize its methodology according to the customer's needs. To accomplish this, it is best to focus on processes instead of phases, and perhaps even a framework which incorporates features from both processes and phases. The requirement for flexibility of the EPM system allows a firm to understand the customer's business, plan for change, align the life cycle phase with the customers, reinforce the customer's expectations, allow for compromise, define project success as a team, and establish valuable metrics that the customer understands. It should be noted that the need for a flexible EPM system for internal customers is extremely critical, while flexibility in dealing with internal customers may or may not be required depending on the project and methodology used. Benefits of a flexible methodology include decreased cycle time and cost savings, a realistic plan that is more achievable in meeting constraints, better communication regarding project expectations, increased customer satisfaction, and greater chance of repeat work. An effective EPM system uses metrics to measure the health of a project. Importantly, they also uncover best practices in the project management processes. This is critical to pinpoint areas for improvement, develop continuous improvement, and capture lessons learned. In conclusion, some executives are resistant to developing an EPM system because they do not want to give up their decision-making authority. A PMO can accelerate the implementation process because of their knowledge, skills, and experience. A PMO office reporting to a CIO is appropriate because a CIO is responsible for a company's information technology and enterprise systems. 6 or less life cycle phases are recommended for a project management methodology in order to reduce paperwork and costs as well as streamline processes. A flexible EPM system allows customization to fulfill customer needs, and best practices in EPM are necessary for continuous improvement efforts. Thank you for the opportunity to present this case study today.